In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Minecraft green screen animations, which is perfect for editing any sort of Minecraft video. This is going to be a perfect place to get a ton of free Minecraft green screen animations. But before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. Comment down below if you want any other games as well. We can make videos on that. But what you're going to want to do is actually go onto your computer, laptop, PC, or even mobile device and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome. And once you get on Google Chrome, simply search up Minecraft green screen animations just like so, and ignore all of these videos right here. You're just going to want to go ahead and scroll down till you see this Pixabay link here. Click on it, it's going to open up this page right here, and you're going to have a ton of free to download Minecraft green screen animations. There is so many on here, it's insane. This is where you're going to want to get any sort of green screen animations for your videos as well. There's not just Minecraft on here, there's a ton of stuff, but obviously the Minecraft stuff is what you clicked on this video for. To actually go ahead and download something though, you just got to go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to see this download option here. Go ahead and click on that and then find the file size that you want as well as the aspect ratio and hit download, and you're good to go. As you can see, it just downloaded for me up here. You just got to click on it and boom, you'll be able to use this in your video. Obviously, Ultra key that green screen out and you'll have like a Steve, I guess, dancing on top of your video. But yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great day. Peace.